Welcome back to one more tutorials of CSG, that is the constructive solid geometry. Here I'll be explaining what exactly happens in the constructive solid geometry. So I have drawn a base feature as a rectangle or a square. I have given a thickness of around about 100 mm. I have rotated, and that's drawn in the surface environment with cap ends on both sides, so that the object is a surface model, but all the edges are stitched and sewed. Again, I have drawn a second object which is placed on one of the faces. I have drawn a circle which entirely lies on one of the faces, and the thickness is equal to the thickness of the square drawn. The circle is drawn in such a fashion that half the circle is outside the object and half the circle intersects the object, and again the object is drawn in a similar fashion, having the same thickness, and both the sides of the ends are capped. Now you can see that if I move the cursor on both of the objects, it's the surface bodies are easily identified, but both the surface bodies have the same color. Now if I want to have an object or a common object between both, or a subtracted object, so I have to use the merge command, which is placed over there. In the merge command, you can see there are two arrows on both sides, so total I get four options of the output that I get. If I pick the first, I can get the common crescent between both two. Again, if I switch an option, I can get the a minus b option, or the square minus the rectangular option, that is option number 2. If I again switch to another mode, I can get the a plus b option, and if I put place the option number 4, I can get the a null b option, which is in placed between all the four. So this part, or this uh, options of constructive solid geometry gives an idea how does the Boolean operation plays an important role either for the surface model or separately for a solid model. So the Boolean operations, or the working of the Boolean operation, is basically depends upon the uh, operators which have been specified in the terms of intersect, or special commands which are there in the hybrid modeling, or the solid modeling, or the surface modeling. So I guess this tutorial is quite enough to understand or gives the primitive ideas of the constructive solid geometry. Till then, now I sign it off with keeping the other uh, points to be taken further. Till then, it's now and thanks.